Hydrosols are gentle, water-based aromatic waters derived from plant distillation. They offer beneficial compounds in a milder, safer, and more dilute form than essential oils. This makes them ideal for direct skin application and daily use, harnessing nature's therapeutic properties subtly yet potently. These versatile waters are perfect for daily use, even for sensitive skin. They provide soothing, hydrating, and safe care for various parts of your body. Their gentle nature ensures comfort and efficacy, making them a cornerstone of natural self-care routines. For facial care, Rose Hydrosol balances skin pH, hydrates, and soothes redness. Lavender Hydrosol gently calms irritation and tones. Chamomile Hydrosol, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, is perfect for sensitive or rosacea-prone skin, offering gentle relief. For the delicate eye area, Chamomile Hydrosol calms irritation and reduces puffiness, while Cornflower Hydrosol refreshes tired eyes. For eye care, always use sterile, pharmaceutical-grade hydrosols. Homemade options are not safe due to contamination risks. For gentle nasal care, chamomile, lavender, and rose hydrosols soothe dryness and irritation in nasal tissues. Always use sterile, ideally saline-diluted versions for nasal sprays. Avoid stimulating hydrosols like peppermint or tea tree, as they can irritate delicate mucous membranes. For vibrant hair and a healthy scalp, Rosemary Hydrosol stimulates circulation for stronger hair growth and dandruff reduction. Peppermint Hydrosol balances oil production and cools scalp irritation. Nettle Hydrosol strengthens thinning or brittle strands, promoting overall hair vitality. Lemon Balm Hydrosol offers cleansing and antimicrobial properties for hands. Tea Tree Hydrosol protects against fungal issues, promoting healthier nails. For delicate lip care, Rose Hydrosol delivers gentle hydration, while Calendula Hydrosol soothes chapped or cracked lips, accelerating healing. For full-body refreshment, Peppermint Hydrosol cools, geranium balances skin oils, and witch hazel tones. For intimate care, Rose, lavender, and Calendula Hydrosols offer gentle, soothing support. Always use fresh or properly preserved hydrosols, avoiding stimulating types like peppermint or tea tree. For invigorating foot care, Tea Tree Hydrosol acts as an antifungal and cleansing agent. Peppermint Hydrosol delivers refreshing, cooling relief for tired feet. Diluted oregano hydrosol supports foot hygiene. However, oregano hydrosol is potent. Always use it diluted and avoid applying to cracked or highly sensitive skin. Hydrosols are incredibly versatile. Use them as refreshing facial toners, hair mists, or for targeted scalp care. You can also add them to your DIY lotions, balms, and masks for enhanced skin benefits. Beyond structured routines, hydrosols make fantastic refreshing on-the-go sprays. Keep a small bottle for a quick hydration boost and a moment of aromatic calm. They are perfect for revitalizing your skin, setting makeup, or simply uplifting your spirits with a natural, gentle mist. Discover the gentle yet profound power of hydrosols, offering a natural and holistic solution for nurturing every part of your body. From soothing sensitive skin to invigorating your scalp and refreshing tired feet, these aromatic waters provide unparalleled benefits. Embrace hydrosols for natural skincare and overall well-being.